Are sidebars really necessary? I'll answer that question this week on Website Wednesday. Hello, my name is Matthew Rodella, and welcome to Website Wednesday, your weekly destination for tips and tricks about how to improve your business website. Now, sidebars are a very popular part of a typical website these days. A sidebar, it's that little column of information on either one side of the content of your website, and it'll typically remain the same when you visit different pages on your website. Usually a sidebar contains links to other articles or other categories of articles. It can also contain like an email sign-up form or advertisements, social feeds, other types of information like that. Here's the thing though, most people include a sidebar on their website without ever really considering why it's there. It may have just come with your website theme as a default feature and you felt like you had to fill it with stuff because it's there. However, research shows that most website visitors never click on the sidebar. In fact, over time, most internet users have trained themselves to totally ignore the sidebar. That's because the reason they came to your page is to read the primary content that they came to read on that page. The sidebar is not included in that. Instead, it may be more effective to include some of your important extra information at the bottom of your page. That way, when a visitor finishes reading the content they came to read, they'll see that extra information and they'll be more likely to click it once they've gotten to the bottom of the article. That being said, I'm not saying that you should never include a sidebar on your website. I'm just saying that you should give it some extra thought and not just have it for the sake of having it. If there is some really important information that you feel your visitors need at the very beginning when they first visit every page on your website, then by all means include that in a sidebar. Just keep in mind that the majority of people will probably end up ignoring it anyways. All right, guys, well, leave me a comment below this video and let me know what you think about website sidebars. Are you going to ditch yours now that you know, or are you going to continue to hold on to it? Tune in next week when I'll talk about a super easy way to improve your search engine rankings. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me here so that you can keep up with the latest videos, and I'll see you next week on Website Wednesday.